are discussing about how to use the switch statement. So first of all, what is switch statement? The Java switch statement executes one statement from multiple conditions. It is just like a multiple choice condition statement in which we have multiple of choices and whatever suits on you, we go for that choice. It is like if else if ladder statement. The switch statement works with byte, short, int, long, enum types, string and some wrapper types like byte, short, int and long. So basically switch statement is used in both the primitive types as well as wrapper class type. And it is same as if else if ladder statement. In other words, the switch statements test the equality of a variable against the multiple values. Here is a syntax of switch statement. First of all, we use switch keyword and in bracket we use the expression. Whatever the expression we choose, we can put it there. And then we use case value, different case values, and whatever suits on that expressions, this case value will be executed. And then the code value to be executed, the code that we want to be executed if the following expression suits. And break statement is used to terminate from the case and it is optional. So switch expression, case value 1, code to be executed, break, case value 2, code to be executed, break, and whatever the case value we want to give, we can give. It is not necessary, there is no rules and regulation to use that much type of. We use n numbers of case values. And at last we use default value. If all the conditions, if all the case value will become false, then the code which is written in default will be executed. Code to be executed if all the cases are not matched with the expression type. So some points to remember with switch statement. First one is there can be one or n number of case values for a switch expression. The case value must be of switch expression type only. The case value must be literal or constant. It does not allow variables. The case value must be unique. In case of duplicate value, it renders compile time error. The Java switch expressions must be of byte, short, int, long with its wrapper types enums and strings. Each case statement can have a break statement which is totally optional. When control reaches to the break statement, it jumps the control after the switch expression. If a break statement is not found, it executes the next case. The case value can have a default label which is optional. So let's see an example how to use the switch statement. Example. First of all, we make a class switch example and inside the class we make a main method that is public static void main string args, and inside the main method we declare a variable that is int number is equals to 40, and this number variable is act as a switch expression. And then we use a switch. In expression we use number, and then in the case statement we use the case statement same as the expression value. So we write in first case that is 10, second is 20 and third is 30. And in default we use the system.out.println and in write just not in 10, 20 or 30. So here if I use here 10, then it will print the first case, that is the 10th case, that is system.out.println hi 10. Let's execute it. See, it will print hi 10. If I write the number 30 here and print it, it will print the case 30 because the expression is similar to case 30. See, it will print 30. And if I write something which is not present here, let's suppose I write here 50 and 50 is not present in any case value, then it will go towards the default value. Let's check it. It compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will see the result not in 10, 20 or 30. So in this way, we can use a switch statement. Thank you.